lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Jinzy. I'm on a journey to become debt free. So if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. Also, if you haven't given me a thumbs up, please go ahead and do so. It does help me out for my content to go out there for anyone that has not seen me yet. Woo, I'm excited for today. I do have some money to cash up my savings envelope, which those envelopes go towards my debt, which I'm hoping to become debt free next year. Don't know exactly how much I have. I still have not found my tray. I need to find a new tray because 2025 I want to have a new tray. So we have 20, 40. We're just gonna leave it like that, okay? 40, 50, 60, 75, okay? So 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. So we have $87 to cash stuff today. I'm so excited. Hello. Christmas is almost here. What? That's crazy, you guys. I'm just like, wow. Extremely crazy, by the way. I'm drinking some coffee. I'm drinking peppermint coffee. Alex knows how to make them. I had peppermint coffee maybe like a year or two from Starbucks. Oh my gosh, it was so strong on peppermint. I was like, whoa, hold on. This one just a tiny bit on peppermint. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna do from the back because I really truly want to finish some of those saving challenges because they are bigger number. They're $100. So let's go ahead and do this start. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm excited to see what you guys are going to do this weekend. Let me know what you guys are up to for this weekend. Alex and I do not have any plans for this weekend. We were trying to go to like out of state maybe for like a day or two. But then again, it's so crazy for the holidays. So we're not going nowhere. We're like, you know what? We just have to figure out what to do and see what we can do. You guys are going to hear Dylan. Dylan is here. Yes. Dylan is here, so y'all gonna hear him. But yeah, let me know you guys what you guys are up to for the holidays or for this weekend. Let me know. I'm sure all of you guys are extremely busy because that's just life. That's just life when it's busy. All right, another one for 100. I'm ready to finish, you guys, because I really want to make those payments for my credit cards. All right, this one is $7. I'm gonna go ahead and do another one. Hi, Papi. He just woke up, guys, so don't mind him. All right, this one. Yes, Papi.
Papa.
Papas. All right, so a 7 and an 8. Okay, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So $15. Okay, right? Yes. All right, so $15. Don't mind me. I don't know how to count. Okay, I know. I have to count with my fingers. No shame. I believe that's 15, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, 15. So don't mind me. So yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and give Dylan something to eat so I can record. If not, y'all going to hear him in his little video. So hold on. I'll be right back. And we're back. Guys, it looks very dark, but the reason is because it's very, very gloomy outside. It's been raining since yesterday, and so it's super early. Well, I think it's early. It's like 8 in the morning, so, but it's very, very gloomy outside. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to move you guys. Oh my goodness. All right. But like I was saying, I'm excited to finish some of those challenges. I'm hoping I can finish something because I really, truly want to pay some money towards my debt. Okay. This one is for $100 as well. Let's go ahead and scratch that. Oh my goodness. But oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. $27. I was not expecting that one. Okay. 25, 26, and 27. All right, awesome. Okay, that's fine. Guys, Have you guys asked anything for Christmas to Santa Claus? Let me know if you guys have asked anything for Santa Claus. I know. I asked Santa Claus for the longest. I wanted an iPod. And y'all, Santa Claus delivered, okay? He got me an iPod that has been there for like 2 weeks almost. 2 weeks, because I think he got it for Black Friday. And that's how bad it is that I haven't had any time to set it up. I know. So I'm telling you guys, I be busy. Life be lifing. So, okay. Alright. I don't know. Should I finish some of those? Look, I only have 2 on this. Let's do it. Let's see. Okay, that's 11. I know I have $11. Let's finish, guys. Let's finish it up. Why not? I like finishing challenges because it makes me feel like I'm progressing or making a progress towards my debts. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Okay, how much is that? I'm not sure. All right, so 10, 20, 24, 25. $25. Yes, I do have 25. Okay, all right, let's see. Let's count. It's supposed to be for $100, so let's count. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Yes, $100. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, good. Makes me so happy. This is $100. $100 towards a debt. Okay, now that I know I completed that one, I just started this one. And there's only one left. I don't know how much it's going to be. I may have an IOU. I may not. I don't know. Look. Let's see. Let's see. All right. This one is a mystery. $5. Okay. Good. I sound like a turkey. Good. $5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Oh my goodness. So that is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, $21. Awesome. $21. Okay, it's a small one, but it's still good. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yay! 2 challenges completed. By the way, I'm gonna go ahead and put the winner here from my little giveaway that I did on my last video. I'm actually going to do 3 winners. I was not thinking about that. I'm just now thinking about it. So 3 winners. Here are the 3 winners. Okay, I'm going to put it right here. So congratulations. Yeah, I'm excited. So that one is gone. So I'm going to put this one on that envelope. It is so cute, from Taylor Little Bit of Wow. Okay, and then I have 1, 2, 3. I have $3 left. You know what that means? I'm gonna put it here for $3, because you know we do not like IOUs. Okay, so far we have done 5 and 3, and yes, I'm doing this challenge again. Let me see, focus. I'm doing this challenge again because your girl is trying to get another 300. So yeah, so I'm excited for that. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna put that in there. Yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you guys. Oh my goodness. All right, awesome. Let's hope I have more money to cash stuff in like 3 more days. I'm so excited that I'm able to cash stuff more this time. Let's see how next year's gonna be, but yeah. Oh my gosh, but I'm so excited for this one. I don't know how much this one will be, but I am excited. Thumbnail? Should we do a thumbnail? I don't know. Shall we? Let's do a thumbnail right there. We will see. I'll think about it. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I see you guys on the next one. Oops. Bye. Love ya.